Hello, welcome back to another video. This time, let's talk about a different topic. Let's talk about, say, dinosaurs. So, today I'll be doing a presentation about the dinosaurs of that originate from Asia. So, let's start. So, as introduction, dinosaurs lived far and wide across the globe and lived on every single continent, even on Antarctica, because back then it was actually pretty uh, like many dinosaurs were living there. Like in the right seasons, it would even look like an ordinary forest. So enough of that, and let's talk about. So this presentation is about a few of the dinosaurs that lived in Asia. So let's start. Sorry. And here is size comparison up here. You may be seeing it up on the top right of a comparison to a human. So without much further ado, let's move on to the next dinosaur. Right? Its name translates to egg thief in Latin. So its name means egg thief. OV means egg. Raptor means thief. So the reason why people named it this is because when it was discovered, it was found near the remains of a different dinosaur. So they thought that this dinosaur was stealing the eggs. So yeah, so Oviraptor lived about 80 million years ago in the late Cretaceous period, or you can say that it lived near the end of the dinosaurs. And its diet consisted of mostly plants and insects and other small animals that lived in the desert. Okay, so then, and another interesting fact about Oviraptor is that it was actually probably covered in feathers. So it was feathered, so it made it look like a bird. Okay, next is Titanosaurus. Titanosaurus is a sauropod dinosaur, just like Barapasaurus from the previous times, that lived in India, just like Barapasaurus, another dinosaur from India. Its fossils were discovered in 1877 near the town of Jabalpur. So its full name is Titanosaurus indicus, which translates to uh, the it translates to the Titanic lizard from India in Latin. So it was named after the ancient Greek Titans. They were powerful beings with powers like gods. Because it was named like this because it was the largest dinosaur then discovered. So Titanosaurus was about 20 meters long, and here at the bottom you can see one Titanosaurus which has uh, joined us, and you can see that an interesting feature of Titanosaurus is that its skin was covered in tiny little bony nodules called osteoderms. They're like small spots made of bone. It was like a small armor, like sort of thing. So let's move on to that. Terrazanosaurus. Now, Terrazanosaurus is a large omnivorous dinosaur that lived in Asia. So this looks like a dinosaur. Yeah. Okay, but the most interesting thing about it is its giant claws. It had such huge claws that when they were discovered, sorry for the spelling mistakes, paleontologists thought that they were the ribs of a turtle. Can you believe that? Like, look at the size of those claws. You can see the size comparison here. Like, those are huge. And also, uh, Therizinosaurus had a diet that had plants and probably insects that lived near the plants. Example, termites, ants. Yeah, it had this diet even though it was related to the famous Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, and also, this dinosaur lived about 70 million years ago in the late Cretaceous period, near the end of the age of the dinosaurs. End of the age of the dinosaurs, and it was covered in feathers, like you can see this one, this one um, right here. So let's go to the next one. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, this is a dinosaur that many people know. Velociraptor, one of the most famous and well-known dinosaurs. Velociraptor is a small carnivore that lived in packs of other raptors. So yeah, many people know about velociraptors because they might have seen it in movies, might have seen it on TV, read in books, and other stuff. So yeah, it has become a pretty famous dinosaur, and this is actually from Asia itself too. So, uh, so yeah, Velociraptor was a smart predator that devised of strategies to overpower its prey. It was it hunted in teams of like four or more raptors, and this um and they'd like hunt together and cooperate with each other to for food. So Velociraptor lived at the end of the age of the dinosaurs at 70 million years ago, which appropriately fits with the last dinosaur in our presentation. So thanks for watching. So that's the end. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something from it. And if you want, if you want, I can also create more dinosaur videos like this, so that you can learn more stuff about dinosaurs. And because I personally love dinosaurs too. So bye bye. Until next time.